a video that we are going to put onto YouTube. As you can see here, I have a collection of RC helicopters. I used to have a blue one, but that one's when I was like 5 or 4. And I crashed it and it broke. That also came in a big box that had a other plane that crashed and broke. Last, when I was like 5 and 6, I had this yellow one, and somehow I don't know what happened to that one. Yeah. But here are my helicopters. This one I got when I was like, how old?
7.
Yeah, 7. And
last Christmas, 2 Christmases ago, huh?
As you can see there, these little holes. I had little red missiles that can go in there, and with this red button, you were able to fire the missiles. Let's see if I can get the propeller spinning here. Well, guess not. This thing actually is old, so it doesn't fly very good, but I have a Chinook over there and this helicopter right here. I'm about to fly it. Well, that's this helicopter. I put some cardboard wing pieces in here, and also, see this piece of duct tape on these? Well, I had a little piece of cardboard here that was taped to duct tape, and I had it like cargo, and I carried a mini RC car, the Hot Wheels type. So now, I'm going to fly the Chinook. This one is really loud, but it doesn't matter. I still haven't tried carrying any fake cargo like I did on that one. Making a RC helicopter video, duh.
Sounds awesome.
Good job, Big Buddy. Anything else to say to your audience?
No.
Okay, good job. You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
What would you need to tell me? The guy who's never flown one of these before.
Okay, that guy has never flown these before.
So which one should I get first? The red one or the green one?
That one?
I should get the green one first?
Yeah.
Yeah? Is it easier to fly?
Personally, yes. But when you get straight, it's not very good. Your dad keeps the video on. Oliver's going to try this one out.
Oh, jeez.
As you can see, if you want these propellers to spin, you press this up.
Alright.
Try not to go all the way. That'll hit the ceiling. Forward, back, left, right, left, right.
Alright, I think you can...
Back, right, back, left, back, right.
Alright, do I just fly it right out of your hand?
No.
No.
Off the helipad.
But you said that one was easier to fly.
Here, just slide this one. It's a little better because that one can't go straight very good.
Ah!
Oliver!
Oh!
Wow, you little kid!
It's actually pretty hard.
If you broke these blades, Oliver!
Sorry,
This is
sir.
what
Now
happens.
try the other one
Alright.
instead.
Try the other one.
This was a pretty professional video until Big Brother came into the picture.
Why is it yellow?
Turn it off.
Batteries are dying.
Go change the batteries.
Oh wait, let me change the batteries real quick. Can I just use this one? Or are they not the same? It's the same
Benjamin,
one.
should I keep videoing or are we done? I can't even
It's
talk.
tough.
Okay, sign off, big man.
Goodbye.
He's not done yet.
Goodbye. Thank you.